And there is a beautiful story that he says he took a great lesson from that story. When he was studying, he used to take lots of notes. One of the important recommendations in Islam is to take notes. I see you are taking notes with your brain, but Islamically it's very good if you take notes. Hadith says, قَيِّدُ الْعِلْمَ بِالْكِتَابِ. You have to capture and preserve knowledge by writing. There is a very beautiful hadith that Rasulullah said to one of his writers, one of his Kutab, when he wanted to leave for a break to do some errands. Rasulullah said, don't put the pen on the floor. Put the pen behind your left ear. You see today, some people, some technicians, they put the pen here. Rasulullah advised this. It means that it has to be always handy, and also maybe it shows the respect that we should show to pen. Pen is very important. Allah swears by pen. Nun wal qalam wa ma yasturun. So Ghazali